That's a fair point. I've been considering this while you share your ideas. So let us start with education. And then we'll create campaign posters. And then let us engage in seminars. And so does the whole community. So here's the plan. First, the barangay officials will provide the main campaigns. And then next, the PTA will organize the Your Trust Tours to Cash project. And third, the student leaders will lead the inspection daily and will award the classrooms whose environment is the cleanest and has the posters in the wall. And the fourth, the teacher will integrate waste management lessons in their class. And fifth, the community will handle the recycling and composting. Sixth, the barangay officials will handle the seminars. And lastly, the PTA will send letters to parents, the teacher will prepare the bin labels, and the student will start the campaign. Let's meet again in the third week track in progress when we engage in our general cleaning project. So everyone, I am thankful for your presence in this conference. I am glad that I could hear your brilliant minds, brilliant suggestions so that we could fix or we could solve this problem. So for now, let us meet next week for our general cleaning. Today, this meeting is adjourned.